If I told you that people are using artificial intelligence right now to go from zero to over $20,000 in just 3 months, would you believe me? No coding, no big budget, no special skills, just AI tools, simple systems, and consistency. In this video, I'll show you the best AI side hustles this year, the ones beginners are using to start from nothing and build real income fast. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal the exact AI side hustle that earned me my first $5,000 and how you can scale it to $20,000. The internet used to reward hustle, now it rewards systems. AI has become the ultimate digital assistant. It can write, design, edit, and even sell for you 24/7. And here's the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius, you just need to know which tools to use and how to connect them. So let's break down 5 AI side hustles you can start this week, even if you're starting from zero. First up, AI print on demand. With Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you can generate beautiful t-shirt or poster designs in seconds. Upload them to Etsy or Redbubble, and you'll make money every time someone buys your design. AI handles the creativity, you just upload and earn. It's simple, scalable, and one of the easiest ways to make your first $500 online. Check the link below for a free design tool to start with. Next, the faceless YouTube channel, with ChatGPT writing your scripts, InVideo AI creating visuals, and 11 Labs generating your voiceovers. You can publish high-quality videos without ever showing your face. I started a faceless channel just like this, and within a month, one video took off. That single video made me over $5,000. You don't need luck, you just need consistency and good ideas. Third, selling AI prompt packs. You can create and sell collections of your best ChatGPT or Midjourney prompts on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. People pay for shortcuts. A great prompt can save them hours of work, and they'll gladly spend a few dollars for it. Fourth, AI blogging. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write blog posts, optimize them with Surfer SEO, and insert affiliate links to monetize your traffic. A few well-written articles can earn hundreds a month, and with AI, you can publish 10 times faster. This is the perfect semi-passive income stream for beginners. Finally, AI-powered freelancing. Offer services like content writing, voiceovers, or design on Fiverr or Upwork. Then, just use Canva AI, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs to do the work faster. You deliver professional quality results in a fraction of the time, so you can take on more clients, make more money, and build a portfolio fast. These tools make you look like a team, even if you're just one person. So, which one took me from zero to $5,000? It was the faceless YouTube channel. I used ChatGPT to write motivational scripts, InVideo to build videos, and 11 Labs to narrate them. Once one video went viral, the others followed, and that's when I realized, this isn't just a side hustle, it's an AI-powered business model. If one channel can make $5,000, you can imagine what multiple channels can do. Here's how to scale this to $20,000. Step 1, pick one AI hustle and master it. Step 2, reinvest your profits into better tools and automation. Step 3, replicate your system or outsource tasks using AI. The secret isn't working harder. It's now dauer, and now is now. It's building systems that keep working while you rest. The earlier you start, the faster your systems grow. Every AI tool I mentioned is linked below. Try them, experiment, and start building your own income system. If this helped, hit subscribe and watch my next video, where I'll break down exactly how to automate your AI side hustle for passive income. Remember, you don't need to work harder to earn more. You just need to work smarter. With AI. See you in the next one.